Hi guys, so what you just saw I don't know what the name is. I think it's called like ASR I think it's called. It's like when you're very quiet and you like do slime stuff very quietly and there's no talking, just ninjas. So I put in some Crystalist in my slime. I'm maybe gonna put in some paint too, because paint's like a good ingredient. I want to make it like lighter, so I'm putting in a lot of paint this time. I think I'm putting in like the whole thing. I may be good at putting in the whole thing, guys, seriously. So, okay, I'm gonna put in a lot. I'll show you how much I put in. Oh my god, guys. I'm just putting like way more paint. And then I'm going to make like a mini, like my slime's my bowl. I'm going to make like a mini slime in my bowl. So now I'm putting an activator. The activator doesn't connect in slime. Oh no, I leaked some. Then I'm going to put in some Crystalist. Like that's like my main ingredient for slime, because that makes it like very soft. Okay, then last but not least, my Hatchimals lip gloss. Well, chapstick. I always say lip gloss for some reason. I only have like a little bit of lip gloss left, guys. I mean chapstick. Ah. Ew, that was so gross. Okay, guys, I just put in some of my chapstick. Get off. Nope. Okay, now I'm gonna, I want the color to be like light. That's why. So, here's my slime bowl. Okay, I'm just mixing it now. Guys, I shouldn't have done that. I just got like slime everywhere. No, activator everywhere, seriously. Sandwich. Guys, I shouldn't have done that. Look at it. Now it's all cold and mushy. And paint. I shouldn't have put in so much paint. You shouldn't have saw how much paint I put in. Did I show you how much paint I put in? I can't talk to you through the video because it's not like video chat, FaceTime kind of. So comment down below if I already showed the paint to you. Ew, it like feels so soft now. I'm gonna put in some more sand, guys. Air pump, sand. Slummy. Jeez. Okay, I'm putting in like a lot of sand. I overreacted with the sand. Oh my god, guys. I put so much sand in. I overreacted with the sand. So now my slime's gonna be like very crunchy. My slime's gonna be like so crunchy. Guys, I made a big mess. Guys, look at my big mess I made. I better clean that up. I'm gonna clean that up now while I just let my slime sit. And then I'll play with it. Guys, what did I just do? I put in like so much sand. Now it's gonna be cringy slime. Guys, what do? I don't know what to do, but it's a bad idea. Or a good idea, I don't know. So I'm just gonna pour some activator on here. That's like wet wipe cleaners. So, and then I wipe it up. You're right, this is like so bad. If you're saying I'm gonna get in huge trouble, please, like get the Hit the like button twice because you're right. My dad is seriously gonna kill me. Guys, I need to like hide all this sand. My dad's gonna kill me. Seriously, all it is just like sand. I'm gonna mix it. Well, when you hear it crunching, you hear like sand crumbling. See? If you didn't hear, like, it's okay. I like need a lot more, like some more salt, because I overreacted. Did you guys see the picture of the Crystallis? If you did, guys, if you did see the picture of the Crystallis, my salt looks like the Crystallis. If this was like, I put in like so much salt. Oh, and this Crystallis is edible. So this is technically like edible slime. I'm not gonna eat it though because it's also made of glue and dye and paint. And if you eat paint, you could like seriously go to the hospital or something. Oh my gosh, guys, why did I accidentally do that? That was a very bad idea. I'm like, oh, I accidentally spilled. I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Guys, look at my slime. Bye.